Alright, who can punch more stronger than Julia? Ready? 3! Alright, more faster. Bend your knees. If you're thinking of enrolling either yourself or your child in Taekwondo, I wanted to do a quick video for K&K Taekwondo. Our daughter Julia attended there for 8 months. We absolutely loved it, and this is some of our experiences of her class. Taekwondo. No bouncing! Taekwondo! Ready? 3! Run fast, okay? As fast as you can. Ready? Set. Oh, sorry. Ready? Alright, look straight.
You're cheating, I see
Okay, somewhere. Ready? Go! Yeah! Push it! Push it! Push it! Push it! Somewhere. 4, 5. Go. Basic for 6 steps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just on your own. Ready? 4. Yes. Ready? 5. Stand. Any more? Last one. Ready? Go. So a huge thanks to Master Kim and Master Kang. You guys were absolutely fantastic with Julia as well as all the other students in the class. And I hope this video gives you guys a perspective if you are thinking of enrolling your kid in Taekwondo. They teach really good principles as far as kindness, respect, discipline, and just good values, as well as the physical exercise and just fun. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.